Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. Today, we're showcasing the architectural aluminum railing system, Modern Elegance series. The Modern Elegance series is engineered with premium-grade aluminum and a matte black powder-coated finish, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. Each post features an all-in-one modular design, functioning as an inline, corner, or end post. With adjustable height capabilities, these posts can be cut to size, offering unmatched flexibility for residential and commercial projects. Available in a standard height of 42 inches, the posts accommodate from 3/8 inches to 1/2 inches tempered glass panels with interchangeable rubber gaskets. Certified to meet Ontario and National Building Code standards, this system ensures both safety and style. Mark each post location using the base plate as a template. Align and mark screw positions for a straight installation. Drill the marked holes with GGH drill bits. Insert anchors or screws, as per the requirement, and secure the post base, ensuring it is level. Before securing the glass panels, install the bottom infill and rubber block. Also add a gasket to one side of the post. Slide the tempered glass panels into place, ensuring proper alignment. Once the glass panels are positioned, insert the rubber gasket on the other side using a roller. This ensures the glass is protected and provides a snug fit. However, on uneven surfaces or in cases of misalignment, achieving a flawless finish may still be challenging. If you're facing such challenges, the adjustable railing posts are the perfect solution. With their unique internal mechanism, these posts allow single-side or dual-side adjustability, making it easy to align glass panels precisely, even on uneven surfaces or in complex layouts. After securing the glass panels, choose one of the finishing options to complete your railing system. For a frameless minimalistic finish, place the end caps on top of each post. These caps are designed to fit snugly over the post, protecting it from dust and debris while maintaining a clean and modern look. Simply press the cap firmly into place until it clicks securely. To install handrails, remove the end caps from the top of each post. Attach the brackets to the top of each post with screws, ensuring they are level. Use the GGH handrail tool to drill holes in the brackets for secure attachment. Position the handrail onto the brackets, secure it with screws, and finish with installing end caps for a sleek, professional look. Certified to meet the highest safety standards, the Modern Elegance series is built for reliability and peace of mind. Engineered for compliance with Ontario and National Building Code standards, it's a system you can trust. Elevate your space with Grey Goat Hardware's architectural aluminum railing system, Modern Elegance series. Explore our full collection and other premium hardware solutions at ggshardware.com. Contact our sales team today to start your next project.